Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming BitLocker was actually enabled on the machine. Otherwise, there is no recovery key to find. Once done, sign in with the user account that set up BitLocker or get physical access to the locked drive. Make sure you know where the key might be stored: your Microsoft account, an Azure AD profile, an Active Directory object, or a printed /USB saved recovery key. These are the essential prerequisites, so gather the right account credentials and any admin permissions before proceeding. Now you proceed to the middle steps. Check your Microsoft account first by signing into Account, Microsoft, .com, and opening the Devices section. If BitLocker was linked, the 48-digit key may be listed. If the PC is Azure AD joined, go to the Azure portal, navigate to Devices, and view BitLocker keys tied to the device. For domain-joined computers, query Active Directory using a duck or run the Get Bitlocker Recovery Password PowerShell cmdlet against the computer object to retrieve the recovery password. Finish by using what you found. If you saved the key to a USB, boot the PC and follow the BitLocker prompt to load the key. Otherwise, type the 48-digit recovery password exactly when asked. Once unlocked, suspend BitLocker to change settings or back up the key to your Microsoft or AD account. If nothing appears in any account, make sure to contact your IT admin immediately. Do not try random keys. In many cases, restoring a backup image or replacing the drive is the safest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.